Bullish Ethereum, ETH cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $8,389.66 and $15,847.14 by 2030. Market examiners accept ETH could reach $6,525.29 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1,491.50. Ethereum, ETH presentation decentralized and open source. Ethereum is a blockchain that supports shared agreements. The stage's local coin is called Ether. Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main cryptographic money after Bitcoin. Developer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Di Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum originators. Crowdfunding for advancement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute super durable and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance, DeFi, offer a large number of monetary administrations without the requirement for customary monetary delegates like banks, financiers, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their possessions out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that show responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few foundations. They are in like manner conceivable to create and trade utilizing Ethereum. Moreover, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for introductory coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? ETH. Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH. Its local digital currency. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to construct any solid advanced innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for use on the blockchain network, yet clients may likewise utilize it to pay for undertakings done on the blockchain. Versatile, programmable, secure, and decentralized are highlights of Ethereum. Thus, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and designers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our day-to-day routines. Ether is important due to a few elements. In any case, its convenience is vital for taking care of the expenses of all conventions based on Ethereum. For example, the decentralized money, DeFi, convention classes of advances, decentralized trades, DEXs, subsidiaries, resources, and installments require Ether expenses. Moreover, the environment of Ethereum DeFi is dynamic and different, as found in the pictures beneath. Second, Ether is the save resource for decentralized finance, DeFi, in light of the fact that it is used as guarantee in the decentralized money, DeFi, conventions. For example, getting or loaning Ether to build a yield due to marking and yield cultivating is one use case. The agreement expresses that 5% of each and every Ether will be held in marking, and 5% will be secured in DeFi. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Ethereum, ETH, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023. Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. ETH. The ETH cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $2,796.75. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous. However, no significant drops are normal. Averaging $2,610.30 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $2,237.40. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $4,661.25. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the ETH's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3,729 and a typical exchanging cost of $4,101.90. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2025, assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $6,525.75, and ETH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5,966.40 and a low of $5,593.50 in 2025. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Ethereum effectively helps market opinion among digital currency lovers, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $8,390.25, with a base cost of $7,458 and a typical cost of $7,830.90. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $9,695.40 by 2027, with a base cost of $9,322.50 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ETH has a most extreme value worth of $10,254.75. Ethereum ETH value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $11,559.90. On the off chance that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $12,119.25, neglecting to accumulate the help ETH needs by 2028. Could bring about a low of $11,187. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2029. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $13,051.50, and a yearly cost close above $13,983.75 in 2029. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2030. By 2030, Ethereum will at last outperform its past ETH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $14,916 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $15,848.25, averaging out at $15,288.90. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ETH cost in 2031 is projected to be $18,272.10 in case of a